My 2014 Forester XT. There was a lot of vibration at about 60 miles an hour. I thought it was the wheel out of balance, but I swapped wheels and same thing. So when I took the wheel and rim off, it turns out that the whole thing has a lot of play in it. And I think it's that lower control arm. The bushing over there is shot, I think. Again, I'm not a mechanic, definitely. But I think this is where the problem is. It's so loose that it's even the strut and the spring are even twisting back and forth, even though all the bolts are tight. I mean, all three bolts in the engine compartment are tight. The bolt holding that the bushing in there is as tight as can be, but there's just a lot of give. The bushing, I think, is shot. So that's it. I need to drive it for a day or two lightly just to get it into the shop. Hopefully that's not going to be an issue. All right. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped a little bit.